Hi, I'm Andy Sims. I'm the Nissan project engineer for Majenta Solutions. Been with Majenta Solutions for over 25 years. Within that time, I've built up a network with the actual suppliers for Nissan and also the Nissan engineers. We work closely with those suppliers, making sure that they meet all of the actual Nissan requirements for digital engineering, processes and applications. Over the past few weeks, months, we've actually been looking at the suppliers. We've been auditing those suppliers to make sure that they meet all the actual Nissan requirements. Part of that actual audit is to make sure that if they're using NSTK, they're using it correctly. If they're not, then we're trying to find out how they're actually delivering the correct information into TCP3 or through the Nissan applications. So the challenges we've been facing are CAD alignment, where suppliers need to make sure that their Teamcenter information is aligned with what the requirements are for a Nissan. Secondly is connectivity, where the supplier has Teamcenter and the NSTK. It initially is a major outlay, it's a major cost for those suppliers. They may or may not use that actual application on a regular basis and need the support from us. We then, thirdly, look at the audit readiness. So those suppliers need to make sure that they have all that in line and aligned with NSTK, G2B and everything else. So a supplier has two options. Either they go direct connect themselves using the NSTK, using Teamcenter and NX, which is a cost to them, or they come via the actual Majenta service, and we actually provide that service on behalf of the supplier to make sure that they connect through TCP3, making sure that their actual supplier meets all of those requirements. Majenta Data Services as a service provider and certified by Nissan to provide that service, we'll make sure that all of their data is submitted correctly, and we'll make sure that that information gets into Nissan in the correct and timely manner as well. So Majenta's campaign and survey is looking into suppliers and auditing those suppliers to make sure that they're meeting the CAD management, the data requirements for suppliers, also the data sharing, making sure that they're delivering the information via the correct applications, whether it's through G2B, TCP3, and various other applications that Nissan uses. So the feedback that Majenta are getting back from the campaign and the survey gives us an idea of information, whether the actual supplier needs training, whether it needs further support, and whether or not they're actually meeting the actual requirements for Nissan. If you're working with Nissan and you have issues with CAD alignment or connectivity or even audit readiness, please contact us at Majenta and book an audit. We'll be happy to support you in understanding where you are as a Nissan supplier.